What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today, it's not a whole lot going on, but we do have some interesting deals. Actually, there are a couple really good deals. So let's go ahead and get into it. We are over at Sam's. I do not have a Sam's membership because there's not a Sam's nowhere near in sight near me. But I did see this. You have to log in. Apparently, this kit is $99, and that's a really, really good price for a brushless 3-tool, this daggone flashlight, 3-tool combo. Let's go look at the specs real quick, though. I do want to share some of the specs with you. This drill, up to 2,000 RPM, which is quite good. It's a 1/2 inch. It's made of metal, the chuck, and it's ratcheting. The chuck is also ratcheting. Produces 531 inch-pounds of max torque on this drill. That is quite good with 21 clutch settings. The impact driver produces 2,000 inch-pounds of torque. It has 3 speeds. Now, you guys want to talk about flex all the time. That thing is like $169 tool only. Matter of fact, let's bring it up. All right, so they have a lower price on this now, but it's $129 for this impact driver, and it's on a buy more, save more, so you can get it a little cheaper. But $129 for this. All right, 1,800 inch-pounds with no modes. And you guys are defending this. It was like $169 when I talked about this like a month ago. This is $169. It's $129 now, so that's good. I've noticed that they've lowered the prices on a lot of their tools to make them a lot more comparable to their competitors, which is a very good thing. But this has no modes. It's no excuse. 1,800 inch-pounds with no modes. And we go right back over here to this thing, 2,000 inch-pounds, which I don't think it does, with 3 modes. Then I showed you the one over at Menards, the Master Force, that also has modes. And I'm telling you, that thing produces close to 2,000 inch-pounds. That thing, it's big, but it has modes and it's powerful. And you get a hard case and a charger and a boost battery for $99. And y'all are defending this? Ridiculous, man. Come on, get out of here. Anyway, so you get all this in this kit for $99. That's an excellent deal. So moving on. I saw this. I need another gym, right? But not like nothing fancy with a big cage and all that. I just need something basic to maintain when I'm away from home. And this right here, man, $399? $399 for this? Man, let's look at look at this. I mean, you got your bench press, this bad boy here for your preacher curls, and you can do your butterflies, lat pulls. Man, look, for the ladies, your hip abductors. Look, all that. I know I probably said something wrong, but then you also have your leg extensions, which I haven't been able to do at home. Man, perfect. $399, but you got to be a Sam's Club Members Plus in order to get free shipping on this thing. And shipping on this thing is ridiculous. So if you're a Plus member, then this will work out great for you. If you were looking for a little home gym, you look at all those things in the background that you can focus on. Man, I've been trying to call around. I think my sister have a have a Plus membership. See if I can use it. Moving on over to Home Depot. Remember this kit? We talked about this. This is like, live maybe a month and a half ago or so. But if I recall, this is more stuff. It's an extra battery in here, isn't it? I don't think it was 2 batteries last time. I don't know why this picture just looked like it's more stuff this time around. But the deal's back for $159. It's an incredible deal for all that you're getting. It really is. I ended up getting this glue gun for $9 from Direct Tools with free shipping, a few weeks ago. So that was really the only thing I wanted. I already have a Milwaukee router. I have the DeWalt orbital sander. I have a Milwaukee 12-volt rotary tool. And so, I don't need any of this stuff. But nice little woodworking kit for a hobbyist starting off. Moving on, you have this Milwaukee bit set that's compatible with the pack out. This is $50 during the holiday. It's $48 now on Amazon. Moving on, we have this reciprocating saw, but I was going to tell you to order, like at your own risk, because it doesn't provide the part number. Well, I guess we could look at it here. Well, no, it doesn't have the part number, so I don't know which one it is. Be an older one, be a new one. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. I know it's not a super sawzall. I know it doesn't have an orbital function, and it's not being sold by Amazon. It's sold by Industrial Tools. Most of the people that sell on Amazon are not authorized retailers, but as long as the tool is fairly new, it'll still have a warranty. It'll have at least 3 to 4 year warranty. Probably not 5, no, but 3 4 year warranty. So I think you'll be okay in that regard. But just keep that in mind. I have nothing to compare this to see whether this is a good deal because I don't know which one this is. So there you go. There, Acme Tools having a President's Day flash sale, 10% off all these things. If you spend at least $99, so I'll just leave a link to all of this. Nothing really to write home about glancing through, but hey, 10% is better than nothing if you needed something immediately. Going on over to Woot, you have this DeWalt 12 volt 5 amp hour battery with the charger is $68.99. With just the battery only, it's $50. Why would you not? I mean, you might already have a charger, so I get it. But charger's an extra $18. I don't think that that's a bad deal for a charger. But if you already have one, you already have one. But here's the thing: for this being $68.99, I personally think it's better to come on over to here to Lowe's and look at these 12 volt tools on a buy one get one, because now let's pull it up here. Let's take this hammer drill, for example, is $129. It's going to come with that same charger, also a 5 amp hour battery plus a 3 amp hour battery, right? So you're getting a tool and an extra 3 amp hour battery for double the price. So it is double the price though. And if you wanted another tool, you're going to spend $149 or $179. So I just wanted to show you that alternative so you have you can make an educated choice for yourself. Moving on, Elamake sent me this lock. They gave me a choice to choose, and I chose this one. I like the concept of this thing because it's mechanical. There are no batteries and nothing. You never have to worry about, oh my God, the battery failed, and now we're locked out. We need the key. That kind of defeats the purpose. So I like the fact that this will last forever, right? Here's my gripe with it. My gripe is there's no sequential code. So if your code is 1 2 3 4, you can do 4 2 3 1 or 4 3 2 1 or 1 2 4 3, and it doesn't matter. As long as all of them are depressed, that door will unlock, right? So I have this video that I'll link in the description from Bosnian Bill. So he picks locks, and I don't know if this is an older model or this is just the model with the handle, which I didn't choose. Now, he shows a couple of vulnerabilities with this. One, if you notice, this lock is actually weird. It's not a normal lock that you find on a modern lock like this. This one is a different type of key lock. And then also you see this keypad protrudes. You can pry that off, whereas this one is flush. And on this one, he was saying that the whole thing is not stainless steel. There's some parts on the other side that I think are plastic, and on this one everything is stainless steel. I can tell you that. It's very solidly built. When you install it, there's this little circular plate that this will attach to, and then on the other side this attached to that plate as well, and it just adds to the security. It's a really nice lock. For $110, I mean, that's what you're going to pay for a decent smart lock. Now, some people in the comments over here made a good point that over time, as you keep punching these numbers, people will be able to see what the code is, especially since you don't have to do it sequentially. So you want to make sure you wipe this off. But all the gripes he had in this one seem to be fixed on this one. So anyway, I'm just saying that this is a good lock right here. I really, really like it. I'm not saying get it here for $109 because on Amazon for $85 with an extra 5% off. They did send me this to review. I mean, they should be making money on this. I mean, it's being sold by Bravex, but Bravex had to buy it from somebody, right? So I hope they're okay with this. But again, it's Tool Deals, and I'm going to show y'all the best place to get it at the cheapest price. I would not buy it directly from the manufacturer because it's way more money. I just get it from Amazon right here. And there's a pretty good deal for $85. I mean, it's not a pretty good deal. It's a really good deal. It's a really, really nice lock. Smooth operation. Bosnian Bill said the same thing. Smooth operation. He's going to pick it right down. So that's that one again. That one's different than this one. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. And finally, over here at Toolbarn, I want to remind you guys that Metabo HBT is having a buy one, get one sale again. You buy a tool, you get a free starter kit. Don't forget your Rakuten cash back. Anybody else have Rakuten cash back? I mean, they do over here at Lowe's. Don't forget that as well, your cash back. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.